city of Oklahoma.
Okay, we ran into one of the owners on the property, and we found out that this place was actually a real monastery where monks lived here. He used to come here on the weekends with his grandmother, and they would get bread. So there's a little blue house that Keitra, you got to go see on the back of the property, and that's where the monks sold the bread out of that building.
Wow. So guys, we just made it. This is the Lake Forest Monastery bed and breakfast in Oklahoma City. You see the paddle boat? Guys, this is our room. It's the KIRSTEN's Hideaway. And we got a view of the lake. Can y'all see that? Oh, wow. This looks better than I thought. The pictures don't do it justice on the internet. And bathroom, it's only got one sink, but that's okay. And then this toilet and oh, there's another sink in the restroom. And this door goes out into the hallway.
And let's see.
Yes, it is.
Pool table, bottled water. I just put some water in there about a couple hours ago, so it might not be cold yet, but there's plenty in there. Coffee, some hot chocolate, hot tea, all that's down here. You need silverware, glasses, plates, whatever. It's all down here for you guys, so you just make yourselves at home.
So guys, this
spacious though.
our besties in this room, and it is quite quaint. I love the desk, babe. We might have should have got this room so you could study or something.
No, I ain't studying nothing. No, I'm preaching. I ain't got nothing. I ain't doing nothing.
You guys.
Yes.
I really almost left my
The
phone.
bathroom. The hot tub is nice. The water looks clean. It smells fresh. I love the fact that we're like literally right here on the lake. Ooh, is that a fish out there?
They say you can fish.
That puddle, that's a fish.
That big puddle, Keitra.
Yeah.
Girl, that's some kind of spray thing.
Oh, you think so? Oh.
If that's a fish, I want to see it.
Guys, this is what, 15 acres of lake house bliss. It's very, it's almost like, looks like an Italian villa. Oh. You hard-headed. Okay, so this thingy we're on floats, okay?
9,000.
And whoa,
Good thing it
whoa.
That's just like an empty room.
Well, maybe this is the reception area. This has to be the reception area.
It's small.
This is happening. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. So they have a wedding chapel and a reception area. See the fountain over there, and then there's the sidewalk. We'll explore the sidewalk a little bit later. We are now going to the pool area. Guys, this is such a nice facility. I did not think it was going to be this nice. Actually, I was dreading it because the pictures just don't do it any justice. So this is the pool. We got some seating. We got a big nice tree hovering. So guys, here is the upper part of the deck where the pool is. And I guess that is a dam over there in that hideaway. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like you can go underneath, but I don't know that I trust going underneath. This is going to be a lovely weekend, guys.
Telling you. So we ran into one of the owners on the property, and we found out that this place was actually a real monastery where monks lived here.
Wow.
And the owner said that he used to come here on the weekends with his grandmother that lived 5 miles down the road, and they would get bread. So there's a little blue house that you got to go see on the back of the property, and that's where the monks sold the bread out of that building.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why it's called the Monastery at Forest Creek.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is awesome.
Wow. That's
And
amazing.
he said that the entire property has 11,000 square feet.
We're in downtown Oklahoma City. Downtown Oklahoma City. Keely.
Botanical Gardens.
And we are eating dinner at the famous Crab Town's Mardi Gras bar. And they are highly recommended from the city slickers around here. What would you like to tell my YouTube family about our trip?
So far, we're having a great time. We
Yeah?
are so excited to get some food from Pearl's Crab Town.
Yes.
And we're going to go back to the bed and breakfast and have some fun.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So guys, we've just come back from our eating experience. We got to take out because the place was super duper crowded. But guys, look how they have the lake lit up with the green lights and all the lighting out here. It is so romantic and beautiful. We are about to have dinner, and they have little tables set aside for romantic lakeside dinner at night, and that's what we're about to do. Stay tuned.
Ooh, look at that. Okay, don't give me a lot, because I'm just testing it out.
Because we don't know if we're going to like it.
We don't know.
Yeah.
So why don't we pair Keitra with Kevin? Because Kevin's pretty good.
Okay.
And then I'll pair with Vic.
Nah, come on, I'll play with you.
It'll be more balanced. Because we'll whoop y'all. I'm
She's
just
trying to
saying.
record. She's trying to record.
Look,
I know what I'm saying.
Because we'll beat y'all. If we play y'all,
Hold
we're
on,
going
you
to
just
beat
scored. Do
y'all.
that again. Let me record it. You just scored. Do that again. Let me.
Okay,
I'm
so
just
who
trying
wants
to-
me on their team?
I'm-
Nobody?
I just feel like you should be with Kevin.
Thank you guys for watching day 1 of this vlog at the Monastery at Forest Creek in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Guys, if you've not yet given me a thumbs up, please go do that. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. If you've not yet joined the squad, what are you waiting for? Come join the squad, because all I want to do is love on you. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do is love on you, you, and you. So until next time, peace, love, and blessings to you all.